Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. We need more land. That's the plea from Grace Kennedy's agro-processors this evening as the company looks to expand and employ more farmers.
We have farmers that are bursting at the seams in terms of the amount of land that they have. They want to expand, they have the ability to expand, but they need land.
Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw has committed that once the land rationalization process is approved by the Cabinet, the company will have all the land it needs.
Grace has made a request for more land. Right. And the beauty of the Grace model is that they're working on contract with small farmers. Right. I'm inviting Grace Kennedy to take 5,000 acres between St. Catherine and Clarendon. And let's get it on with small farmers. That's the plan. And I'm going to my office Monday morning to see that rationalization report. And once Cabinet makes its decision, we are going to make a public invitation to everybody who wants land. Come for the land. And make sure you put it into production. Use it or lose it.
Mr. Shaw was speaking to TVJ News after a tour of Grace Kennedy's agro-processing plant in St. Elizabeth. The price of oil closed at $70.03 a barrel today, moving up 3 cents. The price surge is the first of its kind in over 3.5 years and is tied to U.S. President Donald Trump's announcement earlier today to pull out of the Iran nuclear deal. Currency trading ended today with the U.S. dollar selling for $125.55. The Canadian dollar went for $96.50. The pound sold for $170.29, while the euro closed at $146.08. The main JSE index lost over 573 points today to close at more than 299,000 points. The junior market index lost 4 points. Among the winners were Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Radio Jamaica, Sterling Investments, 1834 Investment, Salada Foods, Jamaica Broilers Group, JMMB Group, and Grace Kennedy. On the losing side were Sagicor Group, Mayberry Investments, Panjam Investment, Supreme Ventures, Victoria Mutual Investments, Wisinco Group, and Jamaica Producers Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.